Assalamu alaikum, my dear every fitty listener. This is MD Frantwale. Today, I would like to discuss with you a crucial topic. The topic name is Why I Couldn't Speak in English Before Several Months Ago. Though at this time, I still speak in English fluently in front of you and with anyone without feel shy, without feel boring, without feel fed up and hesitation. But before several months ago, I couldn't speak any single sentences. Why? Actually, English as a language, and my country second language is English. But when I was a student of a college and high school, that time the teacher didn't tell me a single day you must have to speak in English is other. This is the main issue. English is a language and our teacher didn't tell us you will have to speak is other minimum 5 minutes or 2 minutes. Actually, English is a language and at this moment I know to enhance our English pronunciation we must have to speak in English. Actually, this is the main issue. I couldn't speak in English, and this time lots of people cannot speak in English. But I was supposed to speak in English when I was a student of high school. But I didn't feel I should learn spoken English that time because I didn't need. When we feel we should learn something that time we attempt to learn that, but if we don't need to learn something new, that time our mind cannot support our body to learn some new activity. This is the main issue. But I have been practicing in English almost 10 months. As a result, I'm a fluent English speaker. Though I'm not a good at English speaker, but I am capable to speak in English. This is the miracle. Actually, this is not miracle. This is the power of consistency. This is the power of keep going. This is the power of learning new skills. Actually, I am not so proud, but I am very happy for my this habit because at time I couldn't speak in English, but at this moment I am able to speak in English. So my opinion for everyone, it can be a high school and college student. It can be another man. If you really want to learn spoken English, never, never wait for the right time. Never wait for the teacher command. Just start your journey from yourself so that you can enhance your English skills. So no more today. See you again another day, another places, another videos. Keep going, never ever give up. Pray for me so that I can achieve my enormous dream.